Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of car maintenance. We're going to cover 7 essential maintenance tips that every car owner needs to know. These tips will help you keep your ride running smoothly and save you thousands in costly repairs. So buckle up, hit that like button and subscribe for more car tips and reviews. Let's get this show on the road. Let's kick things off with the most crucial car maintenance tip: regular oil changes. Regular oil changes are essential for keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Neglecting this simple task can lead to severe engine damage and costly repairs down the line. Think of your engine as the heart of your car and the oil as its lifeblood. Just like how your heart needs clean blood to function properly, your engine needs clean oil to operate at its best. The oil lubricates the engine's moving parts, reducing friction and preventing overheating. Over time, oil gets dirty, picking up all sorts of gunk and debris. This contamination can cause the oil to lose its effectiveness, leading to increased wear and tear on your engine. Dirty oil can also cause sludge buildup, which can clog oil passages and reduce the engine's performance. If you don't change it regularly, it's like trying to run a marathon while breathing through a straw. Your engine will struggle to perform, and you may notice a decrease in fuel efficiency and power. In the worst-case scenario, dirty oil can cause your engine to seize up, resulting in a complete breakdown. Check your owner's manual for how often to change your oil. Different cars have different requirements, so it's essential to follow the manufacturer's recommendations. Some vehicles may need an oil change every 3,000 miles, while others can go up to 10,000 miles or more between changes. Even if you don't drive much, change the oil at least once a year. Oil can degrade over time, even if the car isn't being driven. Regular oil changes ensure that your engine always has fresh, clean oil, which helps maintain its performance and longevity. And don't forget to change the oil filter too. The oil filter traps contaminants and prevents them from circulating through the engine. A clogged filter can reduce oil flow and cause engine damage, so it's crucial to replace it with every oil change. While you're at it, ask your mechanic to check all the other fluids under the hood. This includes coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluid, and power steering fluid. Keeping these fluids at the proper levels and in good condition is vital for the overall health of your vehicle. Now that we've got that covered, let's move on to our next essential car maintenance tip. Regular oil changes are just one part of keeping your car in top shape. Stay tuned for more tips on how to maintain your vehicle and ensure it runs smoothly for years to come. Let's talk tires. These often overlooked components are essential for your vehicle's performance and your safety on the road. These rubber wonders are your car's only point of contact with the road. They play a crucial role in handling, braking, and overall driving comfort. Proper tire pressure is crucial for fuel efficiency and safety. Underinflated tires can lead to poor fuel economy, while overinflated tires can cause uneven wear and a harsher ride. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. This simple habit can save you money on fuel and extend the life of your tires. You can find the recommended tire pressure in your owner's manual or on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. Always follow these guidelines for optimal performance. Rotate your tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. This helps in maintaining balanced handling and prolongs the life of your tires. While checking tire pressure, look at the tread wear. Uneven tread can indicate alignment issues or the need for rotation. If the tread is low or uneven, it might be time for new tires. Safety first. Remember, well-maintained tires are key to a smooth and safe driving experience. Regular checks and maintenance can prevent unexpected issues and keep you safe on the road. Now, let's talk about brakes, the most important safety feature on your car. Brakes are not just a component, they are the lifeline that ensures you and your passengers stay safe on the road. Whether you're driving a luxury car or a standard vehicle, the condition of your brakes can make all the difference in an emergency situation. The first sign of worn brakes is usually a high-pitched squealing sound. This noise is a built-in warning system designed to alert you that your brake pads are getting thin and need to be replaced soon. Ignoring this sound can lead to more serious issues down the line. Another sign is a grinding noise, which means your brake pads are completely worn down. When you hear this, it's not just the pads that are at risk. The rotors can also get damaged, leading to a much more expensive repair. This grinding sound is a clear indicator that immediate attention is required. If your brake pedal feels spongy or goes to the floor, get your brakes checked immediately. A spongy brake pedal can indicate air in the brake lines or a problem with the brake fluid. Both of these issues can severely compromise your braking efficiency and should be addressed without delay. Regular brake inspections are crucial. They help identify potential problems before they become serious safety hazards. During an inspection, a mechanic will check the thickness of your brake pads, the condition of the rotors, and the level of brake fluid. This comprehensive check ensures that your braking system is functioning optimally. Most mechanics recommend getting your brakes checked at least once a year. However, if you drive frequently or in heavy traffic, you might need to have them inspected more often. Regular checks can prevent minor issues from becoming major repairs, saving you time and money in the long run. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way when it comes to brakes. By staying vigilant and addressing any signs of wear and tear early, you can ensure that your vehicle remains safe and reliable. Don't gamble with your safety. Make brake maintenance a priority. Let's move on to the battery, that little box of electrical energy that brings your car to life. Locate your battery and check the terminals for corrosion. Clean any corrosion with a mixture of baking soda and water. Make sure the battery cables are securely connected. Car batteries typically last 3 to 5 years. Have your battery tested by a mechanic if it's getting old. A dead battery is the last thing you want to deal with, especially on a cold winter morning. Let's talk about fluids, the kind that keeps your car running smoothly. The most important ones are engine coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Check these fluids at least once a month. Most cars have easy-to-read dipsticks or reservoirs for checking fluid levels. Top off any low fluids with the correct type. Using the wrong fluid can damage your car. If you're not comfortable checking your fluids, ask your mechanic to do it during your next oil change. Let's talk about the air filter, a small but mighty component. Your engine needs air to breathe, and the air filter traps dirt and contaminants. Over time, the air filter gets clogged, restricting airflow to the engine. Replace your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Replacing the air filter is an easy DIY task. Detailed instructions can be found in your owner's manual or online. Trust me, your engine will thank you for breathing easy. Regular inspections are like going to the doctor for a checkup. A qualified mechanic can spot potential problems early on. They can catch issues you might not notice, like worn suspension components or leaks. Have your car inspected at least once a year. In areas with harsh winters or extreme temperatures, consider more frequent inspections. Preventative maintenance goes a long way. Taking care of your car is an investment, not an expense. So there you have it. 7 essential car maintenance tips every car owner should know. By following these simple tips, you can keep your ride running smoothly for years to come. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tips and reviews. Let me know in the comments what other car-related topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, happy driving.